we're thinking about this and we're trying to say, all right, well, let's file a patent on this clicker. If I were to go to the patent office and say, all right, I want a patent on a clicker, period. The patent office would just laugh. You know, the clickers have been around for a while. Presentation clickers have been around for a while. And so there'd be a 0% chance that we would actually get that. If we were to somehow convince the patent office that we should be able to get a patent on a clicker, period, it would, however, be incredibly valuable. Every single clicker that was made after this point would infringe. And when it infringes, maybe we take $1 or $2 each. That would add up to be a decent amount of money. On the other end of the spectrum, let's go to the million-word version. I go to the patent office and I say, I want a patent on this exact thing. And those 1,000,000 words describe every single radius, every single material, every single thing about this. And the patent office says, yeah, we've never seen that before. Go ahead and take it. Almost 100% chance of getting that patent. But the value of that patent would be close to 0.
The lecture was about file a patent, clicker period, clicker around for a while. Furthermore, the speaker mentioned that 0% chance to get that patent clicker period convince office valuable. Moreover, the speaker mentioned that single clicker made in French, $1 or $2 each, decent amount of money. In addition, the speaker explained that patent exact thing, material, every single thing, patent office. Finally, the speaker concluded that never seen before, go ahead, take it, 100% chance get that patent, value of patent close to 0.